All right, guys. Um, Now I'm not saying that it has to play out like this. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying it's a possibility, and the likely scenario is this. In these altcoins to get the altcoin major bull market. Now, what it's implying is the low is in monthly moving averages are extremely powerful, right? And something like this, after big drops or whatever, you know, something like this is very possible. This is just an example. I was looking at this chart and I just thought I would look into it a little bit. QTUM monthly chart, but a lot of charts are like this. Okay, a lot of these charts are based on a monthly sort of scale and they look like this. Um, this is First Majestic Silver on a monthly basis back in 2008, 2009, when these charts crashed after the financial crisis. But when they got up and then they started to get above the monthly moving averages, right? And very similar to these charts here, and they got above the monthly moving averages, but when they got above, they held, right? They held and they went into accumulation base, um, and kind of implying, we could move up here a little bit, but if we support here for a little period, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 months on here. Obviously, we got that one drop and then 5 or 6 months there. But the 5 or 6 months basin here was accumulation, basically, is what it was. And then they went into a skyrocket bull market. And that is very likely when you get the situation when you get above all moving averages like this, at least a trying to here. It's very hard to start breaking down below them again. Yes, the first time we did, of course, but you start breaking them above them again, there's a higher probability of these holding. Um, this is just one example. I've not even looked at all the other ones yet, but I know a lot of them are like this: XLM, XRP, quite a few other ones. If we get 4, 5, 6 months of a base here, guys, expect an explosion on these altcoins.